Hey you, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how I use my 360 S7 robot vacuum.
And I'm just going to turn it on just so it could go charging, and then I'm going to set up my app and I will be back to do a nice clean after it's nice and charged. We just opened it up, so this is how it looks. See the 360 plus at the top? It's like a little knob, that's the sensor. You don't touch that. I also noticed like on the side, it has like side cameras, and then that little like brush thing, and then that one. And this is just all around. Rose gold trim around it. And then this is the charging dock. Those little plates are magnet plates, and it hooks on to the back of these two little plates right there. But it has to have like a little room in between the wall and, you know, where it's, what's around it, what's near it. You flip that up, and inside you find this filter. This is the dust, where the dust goes and like debris. And then this cleans this comes out, you just lift it up. And this cleans these things down here. So underneath of it is like some little bristles, and you can clean it off with that. And then this is the filter. I have to read more and see, but this filter inside of here is washable. So that's very neat, nice. And then slowly push that down, nice. This is like a mop and a vacuum, so it's like a 2-in-1. It cannot clean up liquids that's spilled in it, but this is like the little terry cloth, and it's like sticky, and then you turn it over, and that's where you like add your water and stuff inside of it, and it'll mop for you. So it lights up blue when it's turned on, but I wanted you to hear what it says if it's gonna do it. Charging. See, it just says charging. That's how you know it's charging.